Demigods of sleep solder shut between colossal fingertips. Reluctant eyelids firmly weighed down with life. His brain refuses semblances of slumber and lumbers ceaselessly instead from thought to idle thought, unctuous as rubber balls ricocheting off the sharp corners of labyrinthine, roughly hewn cabinetry. Surrender sits leagues away, impressing a mass upon the mattress. An anchor sinks into a foaming floor. Moments now, millennia next, see him striving to force respite upon a restless mind, yet succor, like freshman follies, flirts and teases, torments, spurns, and flies.